Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making a cozy tofu shepherd's pie. Start by pressing your tofu with the Easy Tofu Press. Pressing the tofu this way makes it extra toothsome and perfect for this shepherd's pie recipe. In a Dutch oven, heat some olive oil. Then add your pressed and diced tofu, along with onions, carrots, and garlic. Cook until the onions turn translucent. Now add baby kale to the pan, along with frozen peas and corn, water, a broth cube, some flour, vegan Worcestershire sauce, rosemary, and thyme. Bring that to a boil and cook it until the kale wilts and the sauce thickens. Then set that aside while you make the creamy mashed potato topping. In a large bowl, combine cooked potatoes with soy or oat milk. Then add olive oil, nutritional yeast, and garlic powder. Mash it up with a potato masher and then get in with a fork to whip them up to creamy perfection. Spread the mashed potatoes over the top of your shepherd's pie, then bake it at 350 for half an hour. When the casserole is nice and bubbly, you are ready to serve. Enjoy this hearty, cozy vegan shepherd's pie.